Want smoothies that actually turn kale, seeds, and frozen fruit silky without waking the neighborhood or hogging the counter? This countdown nails the best NutriBullet blenders, from portable to powerhouse. This video breaks down the top 8 NutriBullet models, from a go-anywhere cordless cup to a full-size smart combo and the 1700-watt RX that literally cooks soup. So it's crystal clear which one fits daily routines, gym bags, baby meal prep, or meal replacement shakes. Stay to the end to see why the Quiet Ultra and the Hot and Cold RX completely changed how blending fits into a busy day. Number 8. NutriBullet MBPB 500100K Portable Cordless. The MBP is the always with you blender that trades brute force for freedom, and that's exactly how it's designed to be used. It runs off a rechargeable USB-C battery with 15+ blend cycles per full charge, which is ideal for quick protein shakes post-workout or fruit blends on a walk, commute, or at the office. The handled flip and sip lid makes it easy to drink directly from the cup, and cleaning is as simple as blending water with a drop of soap and tossing the cup and lid on the top rack. It genuinely simplifies on-the-go nutrition. The cup is a 20-ounce Tritan vessel, so it's durable, light, and designed to slip in a backpack or gym bag without adding bulk. The 4-point stainless blade and optimized 100-watt class design do better than expected with soft fruit, powders, and ice chips, and the flip spout lid turns the cup into a travel tumbler. For anyone chasing daily steps or squeezing shakes between meetings, it's a lifesaver. Now the trade-offs. This is not a countertop crusher. While it can handle small ice and some frozen fruit, it isn't built for dense smoothie bowls, big ice cubes, or thick nut butters. Pushing it there can lead to shorter blend cycles and occasional reblends. The 15+ cycles sound generous, but on heavy days it's easy to burn through them, so a habit of topping up via USB-C is smart. Also, it's quieter than most plug-in units, but it's not silent. In quiet offices, expect a brief buzz that's noticeable during blending. 7. NutriBullet NBR601WM 600-watt original. Number 7 is the classic 600-watt personal blender, the one many people associate with the NutriBullet. It's simple: push, twist, and blend in a 24-ounce cup with stainless steel extractor blades using a cyclonic pattern to tear through fruits and greens. For a lot of routines, that's exactly the point. Quick smoothies in under a minute, minimal counter space, and top-rack dishwasher-safe cups and lids. It's the gateway to daily blending that just works. In everyday use, this model handles berries, bananas, spinach, yogurt, oats, and even chia or flax quite well. It's perfect for those morning greens or post-workout shakes, and it keeps setup friction low. No buttons, no screens, just twist and go. It's also lightweight and easy to store, which makes it friendly for small kitchens or secondary stations, like an office or dorm countertop. On the critical side, 600 watts shows its limits with fibrous greens like raw kale stems, frozen pineapple, or full-size ice cubes. Expect an extra round of pulsing, more liquid, or a bit of manual shake and settle for the smoothest finish. The single-speed design is dead simple, but doesn't give control over texture the way higher-tier NutriBullets do, and heavier blends may need a stop and stir to finish cleanly. If thick nut butters or seed-heavy smoothies are the goal, this isn't the best match. That said, the original remains a reliable daily smoothie maker for light to moderate blends, backed by straightforward cleanup and a compact footprint. 6. NutriBullet Pro 900-watt personal blender. At number 6, the Pro 900 takes a meaningful step up in performance with a 900-watt motor engineered for tougher ingredients, while keeping the twist and blend simplicity that makes personal blenders so usable. The higher torque and refined extractor blades help break down celery, ginger, nuts, and seeds more efficiently, and it shows in smoother textures with fewer reblends. For many, this is the sweet spot between power and size. In testing with frozen berries, kale, dates, and a handful of almonds, the Pro 900 produced a velvety smoothie with just one additional shake and pulse, noticeably better than the 600-watt tier. Nut butters become possible with patience and smart prep, and almond milk blends more cleanly when strained. It's also a champ with breakfast blends, oats, peanut butter, banana, delivering a remarkably smooth drink in well under a minute. Cleanup is the same easy routine. Twist off the blade, rinse, and toss cups and lids on the top rack. The footprint remains compact, and the cup and accessory ecosystem is robust, making it a practical daily driver for singles and couples. For many households, it's the do-everything-well-enough model. If there's a caveat, it's that dense, low-liquid blends still benefit from pulsing and patience, and full-size hard ice can challenge consistency. Smaller cubes or pre-cracked ice improve results. But for everyday nutrition with tougher ingredients, the Pro 900 feels like the baseline for truly smooth results without jumping to premium pricing. 5. NutriBullet Ultra Personal Blender NB5500. The Ultra NB5500 earns its top 5 slot by refining the personal blender experience across power, sound, durability, and interface. Its 1200-watt motor is NutriBullet's most powerful single-serve engine, and impressively, it's tuned to emit lower-frequency sound for a quieter blend, noticeably less shrill than older models. The illuminated glow interface reveals a guided smoothie cycle and a manual pulse mode the moment the cup clicks into the base, so operation is both modern and intuitive. In side-by-side tests against the 900-watt tier, the Ultra blitzed frozen strawberries, kale stems, hemp hearts, and ice to an extra silky finish in fewer seconds, and it handled thick smoothies with less pausing. The rapid extractor blade adds a titanium coating on a stainless platform for improved longevity and faster breakdown of fibrous bits, and it's backed by a 5-year limited blade warranty, rare reassurance in the personal blender space. The cups are Tritan Renew, a BPA-free material with 50% certified recycled content that holds up well to daily use and dishwashers. The base sits solidly with a sleek, compact silhouette that matches modern counters, and the tactile simplicity of 2 lighted options keeps the learning curve non-existent. It's clear the Ultra is designed to be the daily workhorse for serious smoothie routines. There are minor notes. At full tilt, it's still a powerful appliance. Lower frequency helps, but it's not whisper silent, and thick nut butters still reward staged blending and scraping like any compact personal blender. But as an all-around personal unit, it's arguably the best balanced NutriBullet for power, noise, and durability right now. 4. NutriBullet Pro Plus, 1200 watts. At number 4, the Pro Plus ups the ante with 1200 watts, a pre-programmed pulse cycle, and hands-free auto shutoff after optimal extraction, making it surprisingly versatile for both ultra-smooth blends and chunkier textures like salsas and dips. It maintains the familiar twist-to-start workflow, but the added automation makes consistency effortless. In practice, this is the model that tackles blackberry seeds, wheatgrass, turmeric root, and stiff greens with confidence. Where the 900-watt might hesitate, the Pro Plus pushes through. It's fast enough that minute-long blends are genuinely realistic, and the pulse control delivers better texture control for savory blends. Cleanup remains a breeze. Rinse blades, cups on the top rack, and done. The Pro Plus suits cooks who want small-batch sauces and dips without hauling out a full-size blender, and nutrition-minded users who need reliable smoothness with tougher add-ins. It's the power user's personal blender, living comfortably on the counter because it replaces more steps than it adds. Number 3. NutriBullet SmartSense Blender Combo. Number 3 marks the jump to full-size versatility without sacrificing single-serve convenience. The SmartSense Blender Combo brings a 1400 to 1500 watt class motor, 5 variable speeds, the widest range in NutriBullet's lineup, and a smart auto cycle that senses ingredient load and automatically adjusts speed, time, and function. In practice, that means hitting the pitcher for soups, sauces, nut milks, or big batch smoothies, and clicking in the personal cups for grab-and-go servings. The SmartSense interface is clean and modern with a dot matrix display and simple buttons that keep control intuitive while offering advanced precision. The manual speed range is genuinely useful. Lowest settings can create delicate flour textures with less heat, while the top end emulsifies nut milk so cleanly that straining is often unnecessary. The Auto Sense mode is the star, a set-and-forget cycle that consistently lands on smoother results with fewer do-overs. For meal prep, the large pitcher with a vented lid handles hot ingredients safely, and the ability to shift to personal cups without changing bases makes weekday mornings smoother. If a kitchen needs a single appliance that covers single-serve and family-sized blends with intelligence, this is the one. 2. NutriBullet RX N17-1001 Blender. Runner-up belongs to the RX, NutriBullet's most powerful nutrition extractor, and it earns the spot for one simple reason: a 1700-watt motor plus a heating function that turns the blender into a soup maker. This is the hot and cold crossover: silky smoothies, piping soups, sauces, and large-capacity blends, driven by smart hands-free technology that cycles automatically. Real-world usage bears this out. Throw in tomatoes, onions, roasted peppers, broth, and seasonings, and the Super Blast pitcher turns it into steaming, ready-to-serve soup in minutes. No stovetop. For smoothies, the RX pulverizes seeds, nuts, and fibrous greens to a genuinely silky texture with almost comical ease. The included 30-ounce cup and 1-needle pitcher support both single and family servings, and cleanup is still a rinse and dishwasher routine for cups and lids. It's not small, and the motor's power means it's not the quietest. If nighttime blending is common, consider the Ultra for stealth. But if versatility matters most, smoothies in the morning, hot soup by lunch, the RX feels like having two appliances in one. For households that cook and blend often, the value is undeniable. 1. NutriBullet NB-Fel 100 Baby System. Number 1 is a curveball only until it's used. The NutriBullet Baby NBY 5000 is a complete baby food prep system that streamlines a task most parents find overwhelming: making, portioning, labeling, freezing, and serving fresh baby meals. It's a focused tool, yes, but in kitchens where it applies, it's transformational. The 200-watt motor, baby blending blade, 32-ounce batch bowl, and short-handled cup make quick work of purees with a texture that's easy to tune. The set's brilliance is in storage: 6 portioned cups with date dial lids and a tray, plus a silicone freezer tray for pre-portioned batches, so a week's worth of meals can be prepped in minutes and served on schedule without second-guessing freshness. Dishwasher-safe parts keep the nightly sink pile from exploding. In daily use, this system eliminates the "what's in that jar" mystery and the cost of prepackaged baby foods while making it simple to rotate new flavors and track dates. It's compact, stable with a non-slip base, BPA-free, and all in on what parents actually need. No extra shopping for containers or labels. If a household is in the baby food window, this is the most valuable NutriBullet by far. If not, the crown practically shifts to the Ultra or RX, depending on whether silence or soup is the bigger win. Final thoughts. Which one fits best? If the priority is a premium single-serve smoothie experience day after day, the Ultra takes it for its power-to-noise ratio and long-life blade assembly. If the kitchen needs a do-everything blender, the SmartSense combo becomes the one-base solution. And if hot prep matters as much as cold, the RX stands alone. For portability, the cordless NBPB 5100K is the only choice that truly lives outside the kitchen, and that freedom often means blends happen more often, which is the real win.